Radhe Radhe Govinda Govinda Radhe 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 Govinda Govinda Radhe.
Shri Shri Vilap Kusumanjali, verse 96. Tavai vas najivan tvaya vina iti vigyaya devitvam nayamam charanantikam. I am yours. I am yours. I cannot live without you. O Devi, knowing this, please take me to your lotus feet. In the verses of Vilapa Kusumanjali, Srila Raghunath Das Goswami perceives his own Siddha Swarup of Tulsi Manjari and is simultaneously blessed with transcendental devotional service in Radha and Madhava's pastimes. When these visions vanish, he greatly laments and prays to Swamini's lotus feet for the attainment of her services. In the final 9 verses that follow, he offers prayers to Swamini's lotus feet in Swarupa Vesh, prayers to Sri Radha Kunda, to the lotus feet of Sri Govinda, and to Sri Vishakha Sakhi for the fulfillment of his desires. In this verse, Virahi Raghunath takes complete shelter of Swamini's lotus feet in order to attain them directly. Sharanagati means taking shelter or surrendering oneself. This is the starting point of sadhana bhakti. Without this, one cannot perform any bhajan. The more one surrenders, the more one advances. And the more one advances, the more one's heart is filled with feelings of surrender. Surrender is the practice and the goal of the devotee, and it is their very life force. It is their perpetual duty. Only through surrender one can attain prema bhakti and the lotus feet of the Lord. Srila Raghunath Das Goswami revealed the highest stage of surrender, which means Tadaika Jivana. My whole life is yours. This Tulasi is yours. Without you, I can't survive. This is the limit of surrender. This anxious self-surrender of Radha's maidservant, filled with feelings of mindness, cannot be found in the servanthood for the Supreme Lord. This Tulasi is yours. This ever so sweet Mahabani is filled with the experience of Bhajan Rasa.
Once that I become your servant and I surrender Swami in your lotus feet, my sadhak deha and siddha deha. There are 2 things. So my sadhak deha is surrender also. Physical body is surrendered. I don't know my siddha deha. I know what I know is surrendered to you. I totally surrender to you. But by the grace of Guru Kripa, Sadhu Sangha, I know my spiritual body also. What to do that? That is spiritual body, physical body is surrendered before. That I accept that I am your Dasi. My mind is practicing to be your Dasi. And I do and sometimes not do. But I want to surrender to you. But my desire is growing to fix all the time in you. And I want to surrender more to you, more fix I want to do in surrender. Only surrender. Sharanam sarva dharmana partajye. Mam, my one only needs surrender. Mam ekam saranam. Means my one, if you want to go, only your surrender will work. Dharma will not work there. Your sadhak deha is surrender. Check your sadhak deha is surrender or not. If he is not surrender, make him to surrender. If it starts surrendering, then automatically you will reach to Siddha Deha. And why this toyas me? I am yours. Why not happening to surrender to you? Why not I can surrender inside you, only in you? I am yours. I don't know my benefit, but I am yours. Make me to surrender. I accept you that I took yours. Shelter, you are mine. I want to be with you. I want to practice what you doing, how you do, how you think, how you behave. I want to make it in my life. Why not I do? I am yours, you have to care to me. This is your responsibility. I surrender to you, now your responsibility start to care to me, that I can make surrender to you 100%. Then by her mercy, he guide through the spiritual master to her, that you have a spiritual body, and try to there. When you will reach there, then you will be really surrendered. Then you will say, in your spiritual body, you will get the service of me. This is I am yours means your responsibility is this, that you make me to surrender. I cannot do myself alone. Only I know the word surrender, but I don't know how to do it. I listen in many philosophy and theory, but I cannot do this. But I accept you that I want to be with you, but you are mine. I am yours, not you are mine. I am yours. You are not mine now. You are mine. When we will reach to the spiritual body, then I will say you are mine. Then you don't need to, she will do for you, you have to do for her. But in material body, you have to say, I am yours. Before I listen, that Chandravali mood is this, that I am yours. I become yours, lover. Now you give money to me, give clothes to me, give the food to me, care to me, because I am your wife. I am your maidservant. You have to pay money for me. You have to care to me. You have to protect me, because I am yours. In my physical body, I can only say that I am yours, because you have to protect me. I cannot do anything. I have no idea to do, how to do for you. Is a Chandravali, when you see the Radha mood and Chandravali mood, then this is Chandravali mood, but here was in my physical body, Chandravali mood we have to think that I am yours. Radhika say, you are mine. You are mine means I have to take your responsibility. I will care you. I will, if I feel cold, I will make clothes for, winter clothes for you. If I got the mosquito, I will put the mosquito net for you. If I need fan, I will put fan into you. You are mine. I will care you. But I am yours, you have to care me. It's not easy to do. If you think that I am yours, she will care to you. It's more easy that you say that I am yours. This is also surrender. I don't know how to do to you, but I am yours. Your responsibility is that to take care of me. Not my responsibility that I will care you. No, I don't know, but I am yours. This is my physical identity. We have to pray it. I am yours. You show me the way, real how to surrender, I don't know any spiritual body and this. How I will believe in a spiritual body when I don't know that? She will show you. She will create the circumstances to understand this. Give one chair to him. Bring one chair. Give them one chair. Yeah. Either is not the backside of the Radha Mohan. Here. Yours. That is toyas me. Toyas. I am yours. I want to be yours. I don't know how to be yours. I'm listening about surrender, but I don't know how to do surrender. I listen this too many times, I cannot do. I have no idea for this. But I know, I see two things. The monkey baby and cat baby. Monkeys' babies are catching mothers. When mother moves, monkey baby catch to mother. And the cat baby even don't know how to move. Then mama is carrying him from his mouth, and where she goes, bring first to baby, then she goes. I am yours. I don't know anything. I am not even the conscious of baby monkey. I am like a cat baby. You have to bring me where you go, but I am yours. That is meaning of silence. That I am yours and I don't know anything to do. You have to arrange everything. I don't know to find my food where I will get to survive myself. You have to show the food where I will get my spiritual food to grow myself. I have no idea. But I want to be yours.
महाराज बादल रसरूपता को बहुत सुंदर वर्णन कियो।
अभी दूसरो भाव को चीज चल रहा
सर्व वेदांत सार हो सब वैष्णवाचार्यन को और ब्रह्म को गीता भागवत रसो वही सब की व्याख्या विठ्ठल नाथ जी ने बड़ी सुंदर
ये हो जाए।
This Tulasi is yours. Without you, I won't survive.
I'm yours, but I don't know much of it.
This is the limit of surrender. This anxious self-surrender of Radha's maidservant is filled with the feelings of mineness.
You see, you start thinking from here, I don't know to surrender, but I am yours.
It's a nice start.
You see, so many philosophy come in your life to surrender, but now one point coming that I am yours, and now your business to do. If I am a rascal and I am a foolish person, I am a crazy man, but I am yours. That is your responsibility. How much you have a power to control me, that is your responsibility, but I am yours. I am a corrupt, I am a rascal, I am a foolish person. Always I do mistake in my life, but I am yours. Now your responsibility. People will blame to you, not to me. Because I am yours. Right? Yeah.
Right, totally right.
How sweetly Tulasi surrenders here with the feelings of mineness. This Tulasi is yours. She cannot live without you.
This is the mindness. This is the mindness. That I am yours, now your responsibility. My responsibility over. And I will meditate, I am yours. Now you bring me how you want to move me. I am here, you want to move, you bring me in your mouth where you go. I don't know even to walk even, but I am yours. Huh?
Just as the bees become attracted to the opening lotus flowers at dawn, similarly, the mind of the practicing devotee will be attracted to Shri Radhika's lotus feet after hearing these fragrant, honey-like words. Tulasi offers lotus flowers that are sprinkled with the spiritual flavor of love at Swamini's lotus feet. I have given my body and mind soaked in the juice of love to your lotus feet.
Body and mind. Material body I give you. This is the nature of material body to do the mistakes. What I do. And mind also is crazy mind. Always try crazy things to do. What I do, jumping mind. Also I give you. Now your business. Now your business. Body also I give. Crazy body and crazy mind to you. What I can do? Body is also my body is only want to enjoy, and crazy mind also want to jump to mind. But I say to my body and mind, accept that I am yours. Down, down.
You are my master and you are my goal.
You are my master.
My heart wants no one but you.
That
How much the eternally perfect maidservants suffer when they are feeling separation from Sri Radha in Sadhaka-vesh.
Sadhaka-vesh, Siddha-vesh, leave it now.
What is Sadhaka-vesh?
Physical body.
In your human body, in your sadhaka body. They cannot live for a moment without her. They do bhajan themselves and simultaneously attract the eyes of all the practicing devotees of the world with their painful eagerness to do bhajan.
Yes, this will.
Through their own activities, they are showing how to awaken a feeling of want by doing bhajan. Such a relish I don't get in my life. Bhajan makes me happy. Therefore I'm doing bhajan. But even in dreams, I do not miss Sri Radha. How eager Sri Raghunath is though. He says, with mind and heart, I am telling you, I am yours. Touching your feet, I swear you that I am yours. I cannot live without you. Deprived of your service, I have fallen on the bank of Radhakunda. I tell you honestly, I cannot live without you anymore. Sri Raghunath can no longer tolerate the pains of separation from Swamini. The poison of love and separation reaches his throat. His body, mind and life airs are burning in the fire of separation. The Goswamis are the embodiments of love and separation, and Srila Raghunath Das Goswami is the best example. Raghunath Das Goswami is indescribable. His heart always burns in the fire of separation. Day and night, this great priest of Raganuga sacrifice weeps with tear-filled eyes on the bank of Radhakunda, without eating, without sleeping, torn apart by the pangs of great love and separation. His heart, so anxious to attain Sri Radha's intimate service, forgetting everything else, he simply desires the eligibility to serve Sri Radha's lotus feet, nothing else. How much hope he carries in his heart while taking full shelter of Priyaji's dearmost place, the bank of Radhakund. How many days, how many months, how many years have passed? Still, he did not attain the audience and the service of his Praneshwari. What's the use of still keeping these life airs together that are burning in the forest fire of separation within the physical frame? Na jivami tvaya vina. I cannot live without you. Srila Raghunath Das Goswami was completely showered by the loving compassion of Sri Gaura Sundara, the embodiment of the flavor of love of God in separation. And for a long time, he was one of the Lord's most intimate associates in his Gambhira pastimes, as well as a personal witness of these unique pastimes of ecstasy, of love of God. Advanced, loving devotees can understand from this Gambhira Leela how sweet the Lord is, how dear He is to the heart, and how powerful is the attractiveness of His love. How many anxious endeavors the ecstatic love, how many anxious endeavors the devotees makes to see Him, and how full of sweet nectar is that silent and motionless swoon of ecstatic love in the end. Even now, the loving devotees become unsteady when they are rocked by the high waves of the naturally severe rasa of love and separation, as they remember the silence in the Gambhira cell. The following pitiful sound is always entering their hearts, breaking the deep silence in the Gambhira, like the dimmed chirping of a cricket. Where shall I go? What shall I do to get Brajendra Nandana? Where is the flute-playing Lord of my life? Whom shall I tell? Who will know of my distress? Without Brajendra Nandana, my heart breaks. Raghunath Das is always immersed in this vast ocean of love and separation, because he stayed with the Lord for so long in his pastimes in Puri, sticking to him like his shadow, and the Lord has mercifully infused some of his great loving anxiety in him. In great anguish, Sri Raghunath prays to Swamini's lotus feet. How much longer can I live away from your lotus feet? In this life, I've never offered myself to anyone else's lotus feet. Understanding this, please quickly take this fallen maidservant to your lotus feet now. Hearing Raghunath Das's cries, all the creatures in and around Radhakund are crying with him in pity. Srila Raghunath Das has given up eating and sleeping and is crying constantly, his heart burning in the fire of separation. Although he has almost fainted, his lips still tremble and say, Na jivami tvaya vina. I cannot live without you.
Raghunath Das Goswami is remembering the Gambhira pastime because he was with Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and he remembered the pastime when in Gambhira Mahaprabhu is trying to the Krishna's flute playing in the mood of Radhika, and how he is suffering and crying for. One pointed and totally surrendered to the Swami. Swami is totally surrendered to Krishna, and he was to surrender to Swami. Because Mahaprabhu Leela, Radhika is totally surrendered to Krishna, totally one-pointed fixed in Krishna. And that Radhika he wants to surrender. And he said, I cannot live without you because you are the only who will show me how you are suffering in your love and how much you surrender. So I want to surrender to you. I cannot live without you. I see that pastime. I feel that pastime. And I want to take your side. Really? Radhika is taking shelter and teaching how to take shelter. And now I want to take your shelter because you are showing with your service and love. Your love is so intense, you are not looking any other thing. In Gambhira also, where there no sound can come, you was only meditating in this sound. And I want to be in Radha Kund and only I want to meditate in your lotus feet. And I want to toy me. I cannot live without. I cannot live without. I want to take yourself. I want to be in yourself. Your love is so high. I want to be in your love. I want to take that shelter. You have so much compassion. I want to take that shelter of compassion. You are so merciful. I want to take shelter of that mercy. What you have all in you means all will come. I will relish that things. Your shelter will give me all relishment what you have. No?
I have one question, Gurudev. So, it is mentioned always, and you were saying, and Keshavada also.
Loud.
Yes, you were and Keshavada also sometimes say that whoever is crying for Radha Radharani's name is Karunamai. She cannot stay far away. And also is mentioned that Radha and Krishna, they can tolerate everything, but the cry of their devotee, they cannot tolerate. So my question is, in the text, in the commentary was mentioned that how many days and years have passed, and he still did not attain this darshan of his beloved. So my question, is this only his perspective? He's feeling like this because of big separation, or really she didn't show up for many years, months, and days to him?
Honestly, love, nature of love to become more intense. If we not get anything, he will not try more and more. This is the nature of this material world. We get it, but our taste become more high and we want again and again. It comes and it flashes and it goes. Then we cry. Again come and as a flash and goes. For that we are crying. And we want to stay in that mercy, not flash. We want to live in that. If we have no flash, we will never cry. Mercy of flash is coming. We feel it. We realize it. And realization become more tasteful and we become more interesting to keep on in this consciousness. And then more cry become more higher and more higher. And taste become more intense to deep for that. And we need more to be there because we have a desire to go in my Siddha Deha, not to live in Sadhak Deha. And this desire will fulfill when I come to realize in Siddha Deha, then also I can stay for 15 minutes, half an hour. And then again come back, then again we cry. Why we come back to my bodily consciousness? So crying means to go back in my place where I can say you are mine. I can be always in your service. I don't want to take anything from you. I want to serve you what I have. This is not a very good condition that I say, I am yours, now you take care of me. It's a very, very good mood, but not very high mood. But we want to reach to this mood that you are mine. I will care you. Why you bother? I will earn for you. I will care you. I will take care of you. You don't need to bother for yourself. But now I say, you care me. I am not qualified. Do you care me and make me qualified? Because I cannot reach to myself with the Siddha Deha, a spiritual body. You bring me to that position that I can say from that moment, you become mine. You don't need to bother. I will feel you. I will see from your feeling, understand you, and I will do without your telling. Why you bother? That is stage for crying. That is stage we want in my life to come. That is we want. From nothing, something is there that I am used. In material body, I cannot say you are mine, because I have no capacity to say, because I not totally see you, I cannot serve you. That I need your help, I want to be in your umbrella. You see, one day Premanand is telling to me, he is giving massage. He said, in my material body, we put umbrella to her. We put, she give umbrella to us to bring inside. And when we go in our spiritual body, then we put umbrella to her. In material body, we need her umbrella to live, to protect myself. Right? You say this, no? So I need her umbrella to protect because I am in material body. And crying to come to a spiritual body because why I am taking her umbrella to protect myself? I am not in service to her.
She has better things.
She is protecting me to bring to my spiritual. You have no qualification, I care you. I am yours, now you care me. You give me the clothes, you give me some money, you give me the protection that I can say that I am. And I am very serious to see Swami that you are very serious for Krishna. That attracts me. This seriousness only you can give. So Raghunath Das Goswami surrendered to Radhika. This is a spiritual life. A spiritual master is a way. If you surrender to the way, what you will get?
Direction.
More nice navigator. You surrender to navigator, he will give you right way. But surrender to the goal. Ashra Tattva. She is our Ashra Tattva. If you know navigator, surrender to the navigation, not follow him, you will not reach to the goal. But the goal is her goal, to surrender to her. She is the Ashra Tattva. Real Ashra Tattva is this. Dasi, why to surrender Dasi? But Dasi to respectful, because she bring me there. Is not major. She is the major. She is the real Ashra. And there is no doubt she will accept you immediately. And through her, if you come and feel that the navigator is so important, then you will respect navigator. When you will reach the reality, truth, you have to realize it. It's a thing of realization.
Srila Rasika Chandra Das sings, Jivane marane niti, tumi se amara gati, ami ye tumara, ami tumari.
Yeah.
You are my goal, in life or in death, I am yours. I am yours. I understand that my life is useless without you. I simply wander around carrying this life as a heavy burden.
So this life become heavy burden. Because I no say that I am yours. I took your shelter. I am yours, now your responsibility start to care me. I want to keep all my burden to my head. I am yours and you take all my care and responsibility. Why I will take? One, the wife, when he married with one husband, what he said? I am yours. Now your responsibility to give me clothes, food, house, all facilities, what is the requirement of my body and circumstance. I take circle of you. Your responsibility start because I am yours. Right? This is the way. So your burden, you transfer some other places. So you become more free. You don't want to give burden to others. And if you cry for that, one stage will come, why I give burden to you? I have to take your burden. When you will reach to the spiritual consciousness, in your spiritual world. It's a beginning stage, but it's a good stage for taking surrender. Easy. But mind inside, I am yours. You have to bring clothes for me. Every month some jewelry to me. I am yours wife. Huh? If you no support me, how I will cook food for you? I am yours.
It's different in the West.
I don't know. But it's a culture to think that I am yours. Now why I will bother for big things? You have to bother. I am yours. And when the stage comes, you are mine, then you don't want to do anything to do. Then you do A to Z everything. And you take all the burden without...
Of Swamini.
Without burden. And this is the highest. And it only can happen when you become very close. Very close. Close means you have no material, any requirement, desire. You check. It's a very easy thing. You day-to-day life you can check it. These all things is to check every day of your life.
Iha jani devi more, dasi angikara kore, nija pada padme daustane, se snikta charana chaya. Kobe go juda behoya, dasira etapita haram. O goddess, now that you know this, please accept this maidservant. Grant me a place at your lotus feet. Alas, when will the pleasant shade of your lotus feet console the afflicted heart of this maidservant? Tavai vasmi, najivami, tvayavina, iti vigyaya devitvam, nayamam charanantika. I am yours, I cannot live without you. O Devi, knowing this, please take me to your lotus feet.
महाराज भागवत धर्म को आश्रय तत्व भागवत धर्म का आश्रय तत्व गोवर्धन धरण और गोवर्धन धरण का भी आश्रय तत्व श्री राधा रानी। महाराज आश्रय तत्व में
Translate?
Translation.
ट्रांसलेशन आप करो। भागवत धर्म को आश्रय तत्व गोवर्धन धारा।
पर करीब में रख के बोलो, जब बोल रहे हैं इंग्लिश में। लाउड।
भागवत तत्व का आश्रय तत्व गोवर्धन धारा।
Bhagavad आश्रित तत्व इज गोवर्धन.
योग 12वां स्कंद आश्रय लीला है।
12 skand is Asya Leela. 12 skand is Asya Leela.
Ashray means shelter.
Shelter. 12 skand is shelter.
और आश्रय तत्व जो भागवत का है उसका भी आश्रय है श्री किशोरी जी।
Bhagavad shelter is
Bhagavad Dharma is telling
Bhagavad Dharma is telling
that the Govardhan Leela
that the Govardhan Leela
based on Kishori Radhika.
Kishori Radhika.
हमारे
happens
माई
because of that.
श्यामा को राज या थे हमारा आश्रय तत्व सुंदर हो।
So Ashray Tat is very important.
So Asra Tattva is ready for
Very important.
very important.
Why?
हमारे माई श्यामा जी को राज।
Our Shama Juk is very important
Because, see,
Because-
we are living in the kingdom of Shaman.
because we are living in the kingdom of
Samaj.
Shama.
जाके अधीन सदाई सामरो।
In the control, Swami Ramaju controls Krishna.
जाके अधीन
Shama Ju controls Radhika.
Krishna.
Krishna. Sorry.
जाके
श्यामा।
अधीन सदाई सामरो या ब्रज को सरताज।
And this Krishna is the
And this Krishna is the
crown of Braja.
crown of Braja.
यह जोड़ी अब चल श्री वृंदावन।
This divine couple
This divine couple
is always in Vrindavan.
is always in Vrindavan.
यह जोड़ी अब चल श्री वृंदावन।
This divine couple
Is always in Vrindavan.
नाय आन सो काज।
And no other desire in life.
and no other desire in life.
विठल विपुल बिहारिन के बस जो जलधर संगाज। जलधर महाराज मेघ
Ah.
और बिजली और मेघ को जैसा संबंध है ऐसे ही मेघ तो है कि आप
Like
जो है वो माधव।
like a lightning or the cloud,
Like a lightning or the cloud,
they live together.
they live together.
When there is a cloud, lightning will come.
जो जलधर संगाज।
Ah.
When there is cloud, lightning is always there.
And when lightning happens, cloud will come.
When lightning happens, cloud is always there.
Like this, they are together.
यह जोड़ी अब चल श्री वृंदावन।
And this is happening all the time. They cannot live separate than each other.
And this happening always, they cannot live without each other.
महाराज या समय आप लोग सब निरोध में हो और आश्रय तत्व में ही हो।
Now he is telling that we are in the Nirodh. Nirodh means to not out of the material consciousness. We are in spiritual
भगवत
consciousness.
लीला में स्थिति निरोध महाराज।
Means in a spiritual consciousness. Bolo?
निरोध को
We are in a spiritual
We are in spiritual life,
So consciousness.
so consciousness,
So we never go to feel the material thing.
so we never go to
Feel material.
feel material.
So that is Nirodh.
So that is
Nirodh.
Nirodh.
Block.
जो महाराज
That's
सन्यासी
blocking.
को निरोध नहीं देना ब्रज में।
Yeah. So that say Nirodh. So this give to her. How she will learn.
Yeah.
So this is Nirodh,
So this is Nirodh,
and by practicing this way,
and by practicing this way,
we improve the ashraya.
we improve the ashraya.
Ashraya bring to the Vishaya.
Ashraya bring to the vision.
Like you sit in the flight,
Like you sit in the flight,
you took the ashraya of the flight,
you took the ashraya of the flight,
sit on that seat,
sit on that seat,
and you quite sit and watch
and you quite sit and watch
or chant,
or chant,
eat,
eat,
drink,
drink,
nothing to stop.
nothing to stop.
And after some time,
And after some time,
you will reach
you
your
will reach
goal.
your goal.
That is Vishaya.
That is vision.
Ashraya Tattva is important to reach to the Vishaya.
Ashraya Tattva is important to reach the goal.
I give one more example of that.
I will give more
एक
example of
मिनट
that.
हमको टाइम दो. आश्रय समझाना होता है. आश्रय तत्व more important
Ashraya Tattva more important
in the Christian philosophy.
in the Christian philosophy.
Jesus and God is there,
Jesus and God is there,
but nobody talk about God.
but nobody talk about God.
Why?
Why?
Only talk about Jesus,
Only talk about Jesus.
because Jesus is Ashraya Tattva.
Because Jesus is Ashraya Tattva.
Go to South America,
Go to South America,
there nobody talk about Jesus.
there nobody talk about Jesus.
Mother Mary,
Mother Mary,
they are taking Ashraya Tattva to Mother Mary.
they are taking Ashraya Tattva to Mother Mary,
Baby child,
baby child,
that Jesus.
that Jesus.
So they also practice Ashraya Tattva.
So
But we
they-
don't understand. Shelter is a big job. Why I will take shelter? Shelter क्यों लेंगे हम shelter? किसी के चरण सलेंडर क्यों कर दें? बोलो.
So why we are taking shelter?
Because I have an ego.
Because
But
I have ego,
independence.
independency,
And we don't want to lose that independence.
and we don't want to lose independency.
My false ego don't want to do that.
My false ego don't want to do that.
Why?
Why?
To suffer?
Why to suffer?
No, why? To suffer.
Why to suffer?
Ah. We want to suffer, we don't take shelter.
We want to suffer, so we don't take shelter.
विश्व को तत्व भगवत तत्व आश्रय माना है.
He says that
He
without
said,
ashraya, you
Without
cannot
ashraya, we cannot move.
You come to Vrindavan.
You come to Vrindavan.
1 minute. You took one room or not?
We'll took one room or not?
That is ashraya.
That is
You
ashraya.
took the shelter of room.
We took the shelter of room.
Then Vishaya will be clear.
Then Vishaya will be clear.
और आश्रय तत्व को तत्व जो है वो किशोरी जी शिरस दे मंडनम तुम्हारे गीत गोविंद करके दी.
So,
रख दो.
so the real ashraya tattva, why not I catch?
So real ashraya tattva, I cannot.
Why not to catch that real ashraya?
Why not to catch that real ashraya?
That what is that real ashraya?
What is that real ashraya?
Who please to Krishna.
Who please to Krishna.
That is Radhika.
That is Radhika.
यानी महाराज आश्रय तत्व को जीव को भूलना नहीं चाहिए, सदा स्मरण करना चाहिए.
So he is telling that if
So
you
he is
no
telling-
forget the ashraya, you don't bother for Vishaya.
If you don't,
If you follow the ashraya,
if you follow the ashraya,
don't need to
don't
bother
need to
for
bother
the Vishaya.
for that Vishaya.
It's inclusive.
यानी
It is inclusive. It will come automatic to you.
राधा माधव दोनों आश्रय
without
तत्व
endeavor.
हैं.
माधव नहीं आश्रय, वो तो विषय है.
माधव
राधा.
है नाय भागवत के तो रूप से लाई नहीं है हम
अरे
महाराज.
नाय माधव तो विषय है.
Lisa.
राधा आश्रय.
राधा तो परम
To get us.
परमाश्रय.
और राधा के पास जाओ तो कहे कि जाओ मेरा विषय तो कृष्ण है उसके पास. और कृष्ण के पास जाओ तो वो कहे कि राधा हम तो आश्रित है राधे के, वो मेरी विषय है.
राधा पलोटत पाही
न सुनो ना, राधा कृष्ण कहे कि हम तो आश्रित है राधा के, मेरा तो विषय राधिका है। अब ये जो है यही लीला बन जाए, राधा कृष्ण की लीला के रूप में ये हो जाए।
राधा पलोटत पाही।
I say that when I go to Radhika to take shelter, he say कि my goal is Krishna. You have to go to please him. And when I go to by her telling, बोलोगे तब ना। My ashray is Radhika.
My ashray is Radhika.
When I go to her,
he
said, no, you have to go to Krishna. He is the goal of you.
She says, no, go to Krishna. He is goal of mine.
Goal of mine and yours also.
And yours also.
Then we go to the Krishna.
By her mercy.
Then Krishna said, no, where you are coming?
Then Krishna says, no, why are you coming?
From where you are coming?
From where you are coming?
And Radhika said that you are the goal.
Radhika says, you are the goal.
She wants to happy to you.
She wants to happy to you.
Are nice. She is wrong. I am her shelter.
I am her shelter.
She is my goal.
She is my goal.
Are? I worked so hard to come to you and then you said to go back there.
I worked hard to come to you and
you sent me back again.
And you send me back.
Okay, when you said she is my goal, I will go there.
Okay, you will say she is my goal, then I will go there.
Okay.
Okay.
And this way you go here and there, here and there.
And this way you go here and there.
Ping pong. You play here ping pong. Sometime here, sometime there. That is the pastime.
That is the pastime.
This becomes your pastime.
This becomes your pastime.
You don't want to go out from this.
If you don't want to out of this material.
मंडनम तब पाद पल्लवम मस्तक पे रख दो भगवान कह रहे महाराज प्रिया जी थे।
भगवान ना है वे लोग, भगवान नहीं जाने हैं, भगवान को नहीं जाने हैं हम लोग तो कन्हैया को जाने हैं।
कन्हैया कह रहे है।
I don't believe in God. You don't worship God. Then you say Kanhaiya. We believe in Kanhaiya. The black guy. भगवान तो द्वारका में होगा भाई।
छोड़ो, आप तो हमारे माई श्यामाजू के राज में।
श्यामाजू के राज।
Gurudev, one thing.
आपको राज अलग के।
मेरा तो लाडी जी को राज है। वो तो माली है, बनमाली है। बनमाली को क्या कदर हुए?
ये राज आपको सदा सदा कल्प कल्पन में सदा रहेगा।
Gurudev, when Krishna says that he takes shelter in Radharani, this is the mood of Gauranga Mahaprabhu?
Yeah, right you are. This is Radha and Krishna combined. Gaura. You read Chaitanya Charitamrita, you will find it. That is the pastime. They say, I am the shelter. There goes, they say, I am the shelter. You go here, I am a shelter. He is my goal. He says, she is my goal. And this play of your traveling is the past. But you don't want to leave yourself. You never leave. Krishna say, I am the shelter of Radhika and she is my goal, but you don't bother. You don't jump for Krishna. That's the fix. She will make you confused. He is a naughty. To come and come to him. But no. I am in the shelter of myself. You are the goal of Swami and I take care like this. But he will say, no, I am in the shelter. I am the shelter. You take my shelter, come to me with me and seize my goal. You say, no, take it. Seize my goal.
राधा बिहार विपिने रमतांग मनो में।
जय हो।
राधा सदानिधि महाराज सदा हमारो मन राधा बिहार विपिन वृंदावन में रमता है।
पहला श्लोक बताओ राधा सुधा दीदी का।
हाँ सुनो 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 सब में पहलो।
हाँ
यस्या कदापि वसनांचल केलनोत्थो
वाह
धन्यात धन्य पवनेन कृतार्थमानी
हाँ
योगीन्द्र दुर्गम गति मधुसूदनोपि
जय हो
नमोस्तु वृषभान बुबोध सेपि।
जय हो। व्हाट इज द मीनिंग?
मीनिंग कर दे।
हाँ करो।
यस्या कदापि वसनांचल खेलनोत्था। प्रिया जी की जो साड़ी है
बोलो धीरे धीरे बोलो।
The sari of Radhika,
वह साड़ी पे जो हवा लग रही है
the air is
Flowing
from that sari.
वहाँ में जो हवा आई रही है वो हवा जा रही है ठाकुर जी पे।
And this is flowing from Radhika to Krishna,
To nose of the
to nose of the
the
Krishna.
flavor of
The
that
flavor of that.
perfume goes in the nose of Krishna.
तो भले ही वो मधुसूदन है लेकिन अपने के लिए धन्य मानना हुआ है वो साड़ी की हवा।
वो he is Madhusudan. Madhu means he is the enjoyer of the honey.
He is enjoying of the honey.
Madhu Sudan means who take the honey from the other flowers.
महाराज मधुसूदन के दो अर्थ कर दी नहीं है।
और वो एक ही अर्थ
मधु दैत्य हटाओ।
हाँ दैत्य को
मधु
मारो।
महीने रस को जाते क्षरण होए।
हाँ
सूद क्षरणे
हाँ
धातु है वर्ब है।
so Madhu who drink the honey from the flowers, many flowers goes and take. That Madhusudan is mad today by the smell of the clothes from the Radhika. He is in unconscious.
धन्यात धन्य पवनेन कृतार्थमानी।
And
अपने जीवन
he
को
is
सफल
praying to the
मानिए।
air, oh, today you give me, so lucky, you make me the flavor from the air, and I feel so fortunate today to smell that.
योगीन्द्र दुर्गम गति मधुसूदनोपि।
And this is very difficult for the yogi to smell that.
बड़े बड़े योगियों या मधुसूदन की गति को ना पावे और वो बेचारो मधुसूदन प्रिया जी की साड़ी की जो हवा चल रही है वह हवा से अपने लिए कृतकृत्य मानना हुआ है।
Means who cannot understand the Krishna, this yogis, but now this Krishna is maddened to smell the flavor of the clothes of the Radhika.
Radhe Radhe Go